All right, let's break down the Health Reserve Account, or HRA, and see why it might just be one of the best kept secrets in your employee benefits package. First things first. What exactly is an HRA? Think of it as a special bank account your employer sets up just for your healthcare expenses. The big difference? It's funded entirely by your employer, so that's free money set aside specifically to help you pay for qualified medical costs like doctor visits, prescriptions, dental expenses, vision expenses. Here's how it usually works. At the start of the year, your employer decides how much to put into your HRA. Maybe it's $500, maybe it's $2,000. It depends on your company's policy. You don't put in a dime yourself. When you have a qualified medical expense, you just submit a claim or use a special HRA debit card, and the funds are used to reimburse you. No money comes out of your paycheck. Now, one of the best perks of an HRA is the pre-tax benefit. Normally, when you pay for something, you use money that's already been taxed by the government. But with an HRA, every dollar your employer puts in is pre-tax. That means you're getting the full value of those dollars. No taxes taken out. It's basically a way for you to save on healthcare without giving any extra to Uncle Sam. Let's talk about the employer contribution. Since your employer is footing the bill, it's like getting a little bonus on top of your salary. And they're doing this because it benefits everyone. Healthier employees tend to be happier and more productive, and employers can save on insurance premiums in the long run. It's a total win-win. But there's a catch you should be aware of, the use it or lose it rule. HRAs are generally set up so that any money you don't spend by the end of the year goes back to your employer. You can't roll it over like with some other accounts. That means it's important to keep track of your expenses and make sure you're using those funds before they disappear. So, don't let that free money go to waste. To recap, an HRA is an employer-funded account that helps you pay for medical expenses using tax-free dollars. You get extra help covering your healthcare costs, but you have to use the money before the year is up or it's gone. If you're lucky enough to have an HRA at work, take a few minutes to read up on your plan's rules. Figure out what's covered and make a plan to actually use those benefits. It's your health and your money, so make the most of it. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple money tips. Catch you next time.